Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we will be solving GCD of two numbers. So the problem statement states that you are given two integers n1 and n2. You need to find the greatest common divisor of the two given numbers. Return GCD of the two numbers. The greatest common divisor of two integers is the largest positive integer that divides both of this integer. For example, if n1 is 4 and n2 is 6, the divisors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4, and the divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the common divisor, which is the greater element common to both divisors, is 2. So that should be our GCD. Okay, so let's solve this problem. So first I'll initialize a variable GCD and I'll set it to 1. Now I'll start a for loop int I equals 1. I is less than the minimum number of n1 and n2. So let me find out the minimum of these two numbers. So that will be like math dot minimum of n1 comma n2. This will give me the minimum of these two numbers. So I'll go till minimum and I'll increment it. So now for example 4 and 6, the maximum divisor can be this number or the number less than the minimum number, not above than greater than that. So that's why I have stopped the for loop till minimum. Now the condition that I'll be checking is if my input n1 is a perfect divisor of I, that is if it is equal to 0, and n2 is the perfect divisor of I, so it's common divisor. That's what I'm checking here. Then I will return. We have to return GCD, so I'll update the GCD here, GCD to I. So this will give us the greatest common divisor of both n1 and n2. So here at the end of the for loop, I'll return the updated GCD number. I think I've covered. Let me run the code. Yeah, so the both test cases have passed. Let me submit this code. So there is a wrong answer. So let me check. For n1 is 6 and n2 is 2. Expected is 6, but so I have missed equal to in the minimum. Let me run it again and submit it. Now all the test cases have passed. Thank you, friends.